how to update your Boo app to its latest version. So in order to do that, first open the Play Store on your phone. After opening Play Store, your screen should look something like this. From here, you'll see three options on the bottom of your screen. Simply tap on the search button, which is located on the bottom right corner of your screen. From here, you'll see a search bar at the top. Simply tap on it and search for the Boo app. Then tap on the app that you've installed or would like to update. After tapping on it, if you already have the latest version, you will not see the update button. But if you guys have any updates pending, you will see the update button instead of open. So these are some few simple steps you can follow in order to update your Boo app to its latest version. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, share and subscribe and hit that notification bell so you don't miss any of our videos. Thank you so much for watching and I'll see you guys next time.